चलो मैं बोलता हूँ। Jai Hind everyone, my name is Manish Singh. I am from district Jalaun, Uttar Pradesh. My father is a farmer, my mother is housemaker. I have done my class 12th with 75% mark from UP board. I am pursuing my BSc third year from Bundelkhand University, Jhansi. My hobby is playing cricket and running. I want to join Indian Air Force because this is a great opportunity and here life is full of adventures. Today our topic is reservation in India. Reservation in India is not good for all the category because in our country there is the reservation only for the SC, ST and OBC. But for the other caste like general categories has no any kind of reservation. So this is a discriminatory toward the other castes in our country. And as we all know that if two boys are living in a neighbor, one are general category and second are SC category, both are apply for a post and the background of both person and the income of both boys are same. So uh, because of the reservation both persons, the SC person can get the job but the general persons can't get the job for some university or for some jobs. So in my point of view in our country the reservation should happens on the economic basis, but nowadays in our country the reservation is only happens on the caste basis. So the chief architect Bhimrao Ambedkar is issued the reservation only for the 15 year, but for the political parties for the vote banks are extended the reservation because they are earning their votes. So the political parties has no raised any issue toward the reservation. So in my point of view in our country there the reservation should happens only on the economic basis, not the caste basis. Thank you. चलो भाई नेक्स्ट।
Jai to all of you. My name is Naresh Kumar. I am from Agra, which is famous for Taj Mahal. In my education, I have completed my intermediate from UP board in 2019, and now I am pursuing BSc final year from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar
Yes,
University,
yes.
Agra. My father is a farmer, my mother is a maker, and we are five siblings. I like playing outdoor games and gardening, and I am self-motivated and disciplined person. So I want to join Indian Air Force because I always inspired by the disciplined lifestyle of Indian Air Force. So friends, as we know that today our topic is reservation, and as we all are know that the reservation is a caste base in our country, and but in my point of view the reservation should not be caste based. It should be economic based, because as we know that in our society many peoples are come from the from many castes, and they all are not poor, but but the people who are from the poor family, they should provided the reservation, because with the lack of money their children are remain uneducated, and so the if the reservation should be economic based, they will be able to study. And as we know that if we can take the example, if any job, two persons are from any one place, and one is from the reserve category, and one is from the unreserved category, then the the person who is from the reserved category but having very low marks, he is selected because of caste based reservation. But the other person who is more educated than the first person, he will not selected for the job. But so friends, it is not good and it is discriminatory between the peoples. And friends, as we know that if we analyze the below poverty line peoples, we will find that the people who are from the people who are uh, uh, from the general and OBC category, they are also the poor. So the poor people want the reservation, and our government should provide it properly. Thank you.
मैं बोलूँ?
हाँ भाई बोल।
बोल।
Okay. Okay, my friends, Jai Hind to all, and good morning, everyone. I am Ansu. I come from Jaipur in Rajasthan, which is
Yes,
famous for
yes.
World Heritage City. I completed my class 12 from RBC board, and now I am pursuing BSc second year. My father is a private job worker, and my mother is a homemaker. We are four siblings. I am aficionado. I am playing cricket or chess in my free time. I want to join Indian Air Force because it not only gives adventurous life but also to serve the nation with pride. Friends, now I am going to present my views on the given topic, that is reservation in India. Friends, the reservation in India the basically means that the giving some first priority to the lower caste peoples and some other peoples to getting to any in all the sectors, whether it is the job or education and many other sector, they are getting a first priority to getting the selected. We have seen that is the mostly times we have seen there is a four categories divided on the basis of the caste in India: the SC, ST, OBC, and the general. And in all these category, the ST got a lots of most of the reservation part of the India, and the general category gets a lower rate of reservation. And we seen that the as we seen that the economic based reservation is very good for every people. So in this regard, our government also taking good initiative by making a creamy layer and non-creamy layer certificate in OBC, and by making a EWS certificate in general. So it becomes a very beneficial steps for the reservation in India. And we seen that the reservation in India is basically for the caste system, because it is implemented by our Honorable Bhimrao Ambedkar at the time of independence. And we seen that the at the time of independence, the mostly time discrimination among the lower caste peoples are be seen, and that due to that time the lower caste people cannot get the cannot get the full priority to getting selected in many exams, or to going anywhere, to going in trains, etc. So that time it becomes a very beneficial to having the reservation. But after this, at that time there is only 20 years of validity of reservation is present. But after that time, the politician are increases their validity due to their vote banks to increase to getting selected in the election and to getting a power of the country. So that time, the I personally believe that the reservation is good, but sometimes it makes discrimination among the peoples for getting a job or any other sector to selected in any sectors. Thank you.
So good morning to all. Jai. My name is Manish Kuswa. I live at Jalon in Uttar Pradesh. I have completed 12th from CBSE board. Now I am pursuing BSc from Bundelkhand University, Nashik, Uttar Pradesh. My hobbies are playing cricket and gardening. If I talk about my family, I have if I talk about my family, my father is a farmer, my mother is a homemaker, and two sisters in my family. And come to the aim, I want to join Indian Air Force because I always inspired by the discipline lifestyle of the Indian Air Force. Today's topic is reservation in India. Reservation in India means that the people who are economically backward or suffered discrimination in the past, so they get equally light when they are get when the independent. There are different type of reservations such political reservation and economic reservation, and there is government job reservation also there. There the reservation in India is a disputable topic because the and in the country there is some state have 60% reservation, but there is some Supreme Court verdict that only 50% reservation is valid, but the government crossed the limit and this take 60%. And so this is sometime sometime have healthy effect, and sometime have some people think that this is good or something that is advantage or disadvantage. Now the advantage of this reservation is that the the person who are economically backward, they are belong to a backward caste, they are get opportunity to go forward in their life and do their and do some of the thing for their caste and their family, so they get go upward. Because in the constitution there is the fundamental right, we have to provide equal right and equal opportunity to every citizen. So so this type of reservation is good for those who are used in a right direction. So I think reservation is good. Thank you.
Good morning, friends. My name is Sangam Singh. My father, Mr. Subhash Kumar Singh, he is currently serving in the Indian Army. My mother, Ms. Sangeeta Yadav. She is a homemaker. Coming to my academic backgrounds, I had done my class 12 from CBSE board and currently pursuing my graduation from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University from as a BCom student. My hobbies are like reading books and my favorite author is Ruskin Bond. And I want to join Indian Air Force because it is not a job for me. It is a way of life for me. So today our given topic is reservation in India. Friends, first of all, we need to understand why the reservation was implemented in India. Friends, at the era of when we are living in past, it was important to implement the reservation system, which was implemented by our honorable constitution maker, that is Dr. Bhima Ambedkar University. Dr. Bhima Ambedkar. He implemented reservation to uplift those caste which were very at that time very on the lower ground, and he want to uplift them so that they could come on the level of the current society, so that it could help to grow the India. But now the scenario is totally different. Now the reservation should be given, as my friend said. Now the reservation should be given on the basis of economic condition, because now the people are much educated. But in my opinion, there are two ways that reservation could be ended. Like, first is we should make everyone educated, and second, if we provide job to each and every person, whether in government sector, in private sector, then the thoughts of reservation of system will end. But in our current society of India, where the people think the job is only government job and no other job is there, they do not like private job. So even if they have opportunity to do the jobs in private, but they say that they will not do the job in private, but they will do in the government sector. And because of they want to do job in government sector, they argue for getting the reservation. And one, if we say criticize them by saying their caste name, then they beat us, even destroy the our vehicles, put vehicles on fire. But if it comes to job, they ask for the reservation that we are the lower caste. And even some other caste people argue that in earlier times they were taught as labor. They were treated as labor and had done many bad things at that time. Then I want to argue with them that by saying that it was the earlier era where you yourself do not raise your voice against. But if I want to say that, like,
What?
if they want to take in the current scenario, are in the scenario totally different. And now we have to see how to grow our country. If you know that, as my friend Manoj said, that brain drain is happening. The talented people who can contribute in the growth of our country, they are actually moving to the different countries, because they are not given any opportunity to do the job and help the nation. So that's why they are moving from the nation. And actually, though, who are not eligible on the basis of merit, they are giving the job on the basis of reservation. So I want to say that reservation should be given only on the basis of economic condition, because there are many general category people who are actually very weaker in economic condition. But as they are of general category, they are not given any reservation. So we should raise our voice, because we are educated people. and we should also educate other and should give the points to them that these are not good from the current scenario. Thank you.
Okay, my friends, everyone have finished his introduction part, so I am going to initiate the GD. And as we all know, that the reservation is very good for the SC, ST, and OBC category. But for the general category, this is correct because in our country there are two types of people are living. One is poor and one is rich. But in our country, the people of the general category is also poor, so they are unable to getting the job in many sector like UPSC and CDS and the railways examination. They are not getting the reservation, and the people of the SC category can get the job easily. So in my point of view, in our country, there should be the reservation on the economic basis, because not on the caste basis, because at the time of independence, when the Bhimrao Ambedkar ji, the chief architect of constitution, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, has said that in our country the reservation will happens on the caste basis. But nowadays the people of the SC, ST, and and OBC, they are also rich. So in our country, the reservation should not happens on the caste basis. Here should be economic.
Yes, my dear
Yes,
friends,
my
Manish,
friend.
you said very well. Friends, as I believe that around 60% 60% seats are reserved and remain 40% seats are on the merit basis. So, friends, those people who are general category, it has a face so many
So भाई
challenges, and in which
कैमरा बंद करो.
the most of the people who belong to a SC ST class, they also compete for the 40% reserve 40% merit based seats. But my dear friends, in my opinion, due to the reservation, the rich people also become a richer, and the poor people is also getting poor. So it creates a lot of problem now. It should not be given on the caste basis. In present time, it should be given to the economic condition. And friends, as we all know that the OBC reservation is also divided into two parts, like creamy layer or non-creamy layer. But friends, and non-creamy layer people get the reservation, while creamy layer people do not get the reservation, because in that situation they also check the family criteria and the parameter of this, and that's why they can get the reservation. That's friend.
Yes, my
Thank you.
dear friend Manoj, I
Yes, my
agree your
friend.
point
I
of view,
dig.
and I want to add some more points in front of you. And friends, as we know that uh, time of the making the Constitution of India, the condition of the lower caste peoples are not good. And at that time, our constitution maker, the Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, make the rules for the, and provided and proposed the reservation for the OBC, SC, and ST. And according to it, the reservation was provided for only 15 years. But after that it is uh, coming again and again from the constitution revolution. And friends, as we know that the ministers are also not ready to ending this reservation, because they fear that they have the fear of losing their votes. So friends, reservation is not ended. And friends, due to the reservation, many people are also facing problems. And the able people are get selected in job and colleges. But the educated people who are from the other classes, they are not selected. And as we know that at the time of the revolution, the condition of the reserved categories are not good, and they are abused. At this base they are provided the reservation, but uh, but friends, nowadays the reservation should not be on caste based. It should be the economic based, because the economic weaker people are in every caste, so they should be provided, and the economic weaker conditions weaker condition certificates are also provided in the Rajasthan to the peoples and friends. It is very good, and due to the reservation, uh, चलो ठीक है, thank you.
Friend, I agree to your point,
Yes,
and we see that
move
the
further
reservation
on
in
that.
India comes from in the Pune Pact done between the Mahatma Gandhi and respected Bhimrao Ambedkar in 1932. 24 September name was Pune Pact. So by this way, the reservation in India was come into the existence in India to giving giving some reservation to the lower caste peoples. But we seen according to the data, it is said that about 50 to 50 about approx 51% of OBC peoples are only getting a 27% of reservation. But on the other side, the scheduled caste of approx 22% of people are getting about the 25% of reservation. So by this way, we seen the discrimination on the basis of the uh, we seen that the reservation is a discriminate the peoples on the basis of caste, and they get the SC and the ST peoples are easily getting the selected in every sector, in every aspect. So that time they have getting a lots of chances to get upper with upper than the upper caste people. So I believe that there is no any type of giving reservation to the lower caste peoples on the basis of their caste, because by this way the peoples are getting discriminated, and many times they are also not getting any jobs and any job and any things. Thank you.
Yes, my dear friends, as
I
you said
agree
very well. And friends,
with
as I have seen that the problem, as we all know that the inflation is increasing day by day. And friends, the reservation also provide the many facilities like education and job opportunity to the SC, ST, and OBC. So friends, education has a very education has become very expensive to the pupil. But friends, those people who are belong to a general category, they face so many challenges, and they also give more fees to teach their children in the college and the university. So friends, it also become a challenge for them. So, in my opinion, it should be changed because education is an important part of everyone's life. If it is expensive for the student, then students face so many problems, and their parents cannot afford them to teach in the university or colleges. So, my dear friends, it should be changed, and it should be education reservation also should be given to the economic on the basis of economic situation.
now it's my turn.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. As we all know that if two person are apply for the same seat in the banking examination, then the background of those those person are same, but the SC person can get the job easily, but the other category, the general category persons can't get the job in the banking sector because there are a huge reservation at the time after the independence. The situation of the SC ST was not good, but in this 20th century the situation of the SC ST OBC general category both are equal on the basis of the economic. Both are all of them are same. So in my point of view, in our country, the reservation should also be conducted again on the basis of the economic, and everyone is the economic status of every person should have the government. That government should also conducting a scenario that everyone should giving the economic status of himself to the government, so that government will decide on the economic basis reservation.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Yes, Manish, you spoke very well, and I appreciate your point of view. And friends, as we
Solution
analyze
to
the
we have to
analyze
think
the
about how
list of the
reservation is,
value
and we
for
have to think about example
line,
there is
the
in the
poor
point
peoples are also in every sector, so
of
they should provide the caste
and they
economic
only
based
put
reservation.
glass milk for both children, one glass for one and one glass for one other. And when the one child